Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best porcelain repair is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone who owns delicate porcelain items, from antique teacups to cherished family heirlooms. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing the right porcelain repair kit, ensuring you can restore your broken treasures with confidence and precision, and achieve professional-looking results, breathing new life into your beloved porcelain pieces. Number 5. Ankita Porcelain Repair Kit. Is your porcelain sink chipped or cracked? This kit makes repairs easy, restoring its original beauty and shine. It's designed to create a durable, glossy finish that's resistant to chips, scratches, and rust. It will look as good as new. No special skills are needed. It's simple to apply, dries quickly, and is resistant to water and heat. Anyone can use it. This kit provides a strong, protective layer that prevents future damage. Enjoy a flawless sink for years to come. We're confident you'll love the results. If not, we'll make it right with a replacement or refund. Your satisfaction is our priority. It effectively stops leaks and produces a high-gloss, porcelain-like finish. It's waterproof, durable, and easy to clean. It cures to a glass-hard finish, withstanding high temperatures. No more worries about cracking from hot water. It's built to last. What we like? If you're looking for a long-lasting, glossy finish that's simple to apply, this is it. It creates a chip-resistant, waterproof surface that's perfect for busy bathrooms or kitchens. Its ease of use makes it ideal for DIY enthusiasts of all skill levels. What people say? The results were great. Once dry, this product blended well with the acrylic, even keeping the shine. I used it to fill one small ding and one large chip in my bathtub. Masked off the area around the repair with tape, applied the epoxy and removed the tape when the epoxy was thick but not hardened, about 2 hours, sanded just the edges at the 8-hour mark and they smoothed out well. I don't think I'll be sanding the large chip as it's drying very smooth. This is easy to work with. Sanding after it dries to smooth it out leaves a nice finish. Use a fine-grade wet sanding. Number 4. White Porcelain Repair Kit. Is your bathtub, sink, or countertop showing its age? This kit makes repairing chips and scratches easy and affordable, saving you money on professional repairs. It's time to bring back the beauty of your bathroom. This amazing kit is perfect for fixing porcelain, fiberglass, and acrylic surfaces, leaving them looking brand new. This isn't just a repair kit, it's a solution. It's designed for simple application, fast drying, and a professional-looking finish. From bathtubs and sinks to tiles and countertops, this versatile kit handles it all. Repair any damaged surface with ease and confidence. We've included a free ebook with step-by-step instructions and expert advice. You'll have everything you need for a successful repair. Achieve a high-quality finish without the high cost of professional help. This kit is your secret to a flawless bathroom restoration. What we like? This kit is your all-in-one solution for various bathroom surfaces. It tackles chips and cracks on porcelain, fiberglass, and acrylic, saving you money on professional repairs. The included ebook provides expert guidance for a flawless finish, making it perfect for those wanting detailed instructions. What people say? This kit has everything you need. And it is so simple to do. Mix equal parts of A and B containers. Mix well. Then mix again. A little goes a long ways. Mix and mix some more. Apply in moderate coats. Don't blob it on. You can add more once it dries. Mixing is easy. You do have to eyeball the amount, but that's not hard and it's not like you need it perfectly exact. It mixes fine. It took me a couple of tries and passes to get the smoothness I'd wanted. This product is wonderfully simple to use. You mix the 2 parts in equal amount and apply it wherever the damage is. It then dries over the course of a few days and you're ready to go. You'll probably need to sand down the area to cover up your brush strokes, but it comes with a fine grit sandpaper for this purpose. Number 3. American Standard AS1 Glaze. This is the American Standard AS1 Glaze, a brand new, unused, unopened, and undamaged product. It's perfect for repairing porcelain surfaces. It precisely matches the American Standard white color, ensuring a seamless and invisible repair. It's incredibly easy to use, no mixing is required. Simply apply it and let it dry. This glaze dries quickly and provides a beautiful, high-gloss finish. You'll love the results. It's a ready-to-apply formula, saving you time and effort. No mixing or preparation needed. It's a non-yellowing formula, ensuring a long-lasting, high-quality repair. It's designed for use with American standard products only. What we like. If you value convenience and speed, this is your best bet. It's ready to use straight from the container, dries quickly, and requires no mixing, making repairs a breeze. This is perfect for quick touch-ups and minor repairs where time is of the essence. What people say. The repair is almost seamless. It takes multiple coats, and I bought sandpaper that went from 600 to 2000 grit. If you use water and clean often while sanding, you will prevent from getting the black flakes that can embed in the finish. The paint color matched perfectly, and after many times sanding, applying paint, sanding and reapplying paint, especially for deep gouges, I am ecstatic with the results. I've used this to successfully repair chips in a stovetop, ceramic tile, and a bathtub. The final color matched near perfectly, even though none are American standard. Number 2. Porcelain Repair Kit. Is your porcelain chipped or cracked? This amazing kit makes repairs easy and effective, restoring your surfaces to their former glory. It's the simple solution for fixing those annoying imperfections in your porcelain, ceramic, or enamel surfaces. You'll be amazed at how well it works. This versatile kit isn't just for porcelain sinks. It also repairs chips, cracks, and scratches in bathtubs, tiles, and fiberglass. With its simple application process, it's easy to achieve professional-looking results. Transform your damaged surfaces in minutes. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. It's the perfect solution for quick and effective repairs, saving you time and money. Bring back the beauty of your porcelain, ceramic, or enamel surfaces with this easy-to-use repair kit. Get professional-looking results without the professional price tag. What we like. For more extensive damage, this kit offers a comprehensive solution. It handles chips, cracks, and even holes on a variety of surfaces. Its easy application makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced DIYers tackling larger repair jobs. What people say. At first glance, the chip was noticeable, but after using the porcelain repair kit, it's practically invisible. Once I sanded it down and allowed it to dry properly, I applied a white glossy spot paint on top of the spot. It was like using white out. The end result is simply fantastic. What impressed me the most about this product is how easy it was to use. As someone who has never attempted anything like this before, I was a bit apprehensive. However, the instructions were clear and straightforward, making the process a breeze. My tenants almost ruined my porcelain kitchen sink. The sink had deep gouges and scratches and was discolored. My husband used this product and the sink looks almost perfect again. The polish is not as shiny as the original, but is a 98% improvement from the stain and scratches that were there before using this product. Number 1. Porc-A-Fix Kohler White Touch-Up Kit. Is your Kohler porcelain showing its age? This easy-to-use kit makes quick work of repairing those unsightly chips and scratches, restoring its beauty. It's specially formulated to match Kohler white perfectly. You'll get a seamless, professional-looking repair every time. No mixing required. Just open it and apply. It's fast-drying and incredibly easy to use. This unique formula simplifies the repair process. Just apply it to the damaged area and watch it work its magic. It's perfect for tubs, sinks, toilets, and even kitchen appliances. Repair virtually any porcelain surface with ease. It's safe for your home and family. This environmentally friendly formula is VOC compliant, so you can breathe easy. The convenient brush cap makes application a breeze. The 15cc bottle provides ample product for multiple repairs. What we like. If you own Kohler products and want a perfect color match, this is the ideal choice. It's simple, one-step application is quick and efficient, and its VOC compliance makes it a safer option for your home. It's perfect for those seeking a high-quality, environmentally friendly solution. What people say. It worked like a dream on the seat, which didn't even require sanding, frankly. It blended perfectly. Porc-A-Fix is easy to apply and manage, and the instructions are good. The repair lasts a year or more, but eventually wears chips off and needs replacement. Old repairs can be removed with acetone. This product matched my Kohler sink perfectly. I recommend taking your time with thin layers. Dry area, apply a thin layer of product. Keep sink dry as each layer dries thoroughly. Repeat next layer. Build your layers until they are flush with surrounding surface. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.